Somebody say true healing. Yeah, true healing, true healing. This little spot right here, I can't linger long, but got to touch it. True healing is different than acting like I'm healed. Most repairs require that you spend what I call some invisible money. You got to fix some stuff you ain't gonna be able to show off. Say, it's the craziest thing in the world. If your house is sagging and sinking, amen, and you more worried about some flowers than getting that jack and jacking that thing up so them cracks match and you can get that foundation dealt with. Amen. That you don't need pansies, and you don't need petunias, and you don't need a rose bush. You need a jack, baby. You need a jack. You need a jack. You need a jack. You need a jack. I don't care how pretty the petunias is, baby. If the thing keeps sinking and sagging, it's gonna be condemned before too long, become uninhabitable. Many of our relationships became unmanageable and uninhabitable because we went to get the jack too late.